equation. Okay. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope everyone is healthy.
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Oh, thank good. I'm fine too. Thank you. I hope everyone is healthy because healthy is the most important thing in our life. Without that, we cannot do our daily activities well. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so don't look at our thin, fat, tall, short, rich or poor because the God is given us a hand. Don't look all, don't look at them all because God is given to us healthy.
Yes,
Okay.
it's alright, sir.
Okay. Who is absent today, students?
Nobody, sir.
Nobody.
Yes.
Okay, thank God. It means that everyone is healthy. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss about three variable linear equation. Yeah. And I hope after today's lesson is finished, you all can solve the problem of the system three variable linear equation. But before we start our discussion, let's play together. Pray begin. Finish and add this material. Two variable linear equation will be modeled from this material three variable linear equation. And ready to receive today's material, yeah?
Okay, sir. Ready.
Okay, student. Three variable linear equation. Before we start entering the material, I will explain the basic concept first. Yeah?
We agree, sir. Introduce use first about the material.
Okay. Just unknown now. What is the three variable linear equation is related to?
It has something to do with a unknown value, right, sir?
Yes, it's right. More precisely, it is a system of equations that has an unknown value from variable. This unknown value is usually symbolized by the letter. For the example, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, go it, sir. Then how to get that value, sir?
What a good question. From now, the value of three variables x, y, and z, namely by various methods like substitution and elimination, and last mixture. But at this meeting, we are going to discuss about substitution method.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Once more again, anyone can provide the example of three variable linear equation in everyday life.
For example, in buying and selling share.
Yes, that's right. Uh, for example, when someone buys different kind of things and someone buys different kind of things. For example, someone else again buy different kind of things. So we can operate it and we will get the result of three variability.
Oh, like that, sir.
Yes, like that. Okay, now we entering the material of three variable linear equation and substitution methods.
What is substitution method, sir?
Substitution means replace. So we will replace a variable with another equation. Now I will give you an example of general form three variable linear equation. Okay, now look at the page of 27. Mr. Rudy's stationery shop sells stationery contains book, marker, and ink in three types of package as follows. Package A contains three books, two inks, one marker, and two inks with price 17,200. And package B two books, two markers, and three inks with price 19,700. And package C one book, two marker, and two inks with price 14,000. This is the question. Create a mathematical model in the form of three variable linear equation on the problem. Now, this is the problem. As I thought at the beginning, that three variable linear equation have three variable that variable is unknown to you. So this is the problem. We take the letter of front this word. So to make it easier, so the equation is 3b plus m plus 2i equals 17,200. Package B 2b plus 19,700. And package C, B plus 2M plus 2E equals 14,000. Right. So this is the equation. Because this is an equation, we must give the sign like that. Do you understand, students?
Understand, sir? Slowly but surely.
Okay, good. Now, for example, number 2. Given an equation as follows: x minus 2y plus z equals 6. 3x plus y minus 2z equals 4. And the last equation, 7x minus 6y minus z equals 10. Find the x plus y plus z values. This is the system of three variable linear equation. Before we know the value of x plus y plus z values, we must determine with three variable linear equation. Anyone know what it is for, students?
To determine for of the value of the x, y, and z variable, sir.
Yes, that's right. Okay, first determine the simplest equation from three existing equations, which the first equation is the simplest than of all. We know that the first equation is x minus 2y plus z equals 6. Now, define the variable x as function variable 1 and z with move all variable into right side except x variable. So we get x equals move y variable to y, move z variable minus z plus 6. We get the value of x.
What next, sir?
Okay, next, substitute the variable x into second equation. We know that second equation is this is 2x plus y minus 2z equals 4. Substitution means replace. So replace the x variable into another equation. We have the another equation of x. This is. So replace x with this equation. 3 2y minus z plus 6 plus y minus 2z equals 4. Move 18 to the right side, minus 18. So we get that 7y minus 5z equals negative 14. So we get the first equation of two variable linear equation. After we get the first equation, now we will look for the second equation of two variable linear equation.
This means that from the steps taken by the teacher, we look for similarities further to find out the final result.
Yes, very hard. Now, the second equation of two variable linear equation, we take the third equation and substitute the x variable into third equation. We have that third equation is 7x minus 6y minus z equals 10. Divided, we know that first equation is 7y minus 5z equals negative 14. So, we substitute the x variable with another equation like at the front. So 7 multiply 2y minus z plus 6 minus 6y minus z equals 10. Usually, multiply is distributed. So, 14y minus 7z plus 42 minus 6y minus z equals 10. y minus 6y equals 8y. Negative 7z, negative z. So, negative 8z plus 42 equals 10. Now, move 42 into right side. So, we get that 8y minus 8z equals 10 minus 42. 8y minus 8z equals 10 minus 42. Negative 32. Divide both side with 8. So we get that y minus z equals negative 4. Now, this is the second equation of the two variable linear equation. 2z equals 14. So z is 11. Now we get the value of x is 5. This is the three variable equation to find the value of x, y, and z variable. And back to the first question, that we must find the value of x plus y plus z. So we input it. The value of x is 5 plus 3 plus z 7. So we get the final result that x plus y plus z equals 15. Do you understand, student?
Okay, sure, understand.
Okay. Now make a group with 5 members per group. Because I will give you a problem, but do it at your group. Per group is 5 members. I give you time 10 minutes to make a group of 2 you. Okay, students?
Okay, sure.
Okay. It is finished, students?
Finisher.
Okay. Now this is the problem. Z equals 9. This is the system. So do it with 3 variable linear equation. Okay. Okay. Now do it with your group. I give you time 20 minutes, and after your work is finished, I ask one of group, please come on forward to presentation. Okay, students?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Time is up. Come on forward to presentation. Come on forward through this group.
Okay, sure.
Okay, cut. Okay, students. This is the answer from Rudy's group. Thank you, Rudy's group. Give applause to Rudy's group. Okay, students. This is the material of the variable linear equation that we have discussed from the beginning. Any question?
No.
Okay, good. The class will end in 10 minutes. I ask you to review this material again at home, because not once but need twice or 3 times to learn the material. So please learn it again at home. Okay, students?
Okay, sure.
Hear that the bell is rung. It means that class is end. Okay? I end. Thank you for your attention, and see you the next Friday.
Okay, sure. Thank you. See you.
Okay, see you.